Welcome dear students to this video session of subject assess, where today we are going to see how we can conserve the land. So land can also be divided on the basis of private land and community land. Land, of course, we can divide on their various categories which are given as the private and the community land. Private land is owned by individuals, whereas community land is owned by the community for the common uses like collection of the fodder, fruits, nuts, or medicinal herbs. So the land which belongs to us can be known as the private land. But wait students, there are some lands which belongs to everyone can be considered as the community land, which belongs to everyone and which can be used to cultivate some fruits, nuts, herbs, vegetations, and various other purposes it can be used. The community lands are also called the common property resources, and these community lands, of course, can be known as the common property resources. People and their demands are ever growing, but the availability of land is limited. So people's demand are ever growing, it is growing day by day, and of course the availability of land to them is limited only. We cannot increase or decrease the land. The quality of land also differs from place to place. So let's see that how the quality of land is differed by place to place. So we can say that students, people started enroaching them. Here is it is given, people, what they are doing, they are enroaching the common lands to build up commercial areas. Nowadays people, they are enroaching the lands for their common purposes, for their commercial areas. The villages are now being used for constructing the commercial complexes on which various shops can be built, multi-story buildings can be built. In the urban areas, housing complexes are done, and to expand the agricultural land in the rural area. So for expanding the agricultural land in rural area, these are some of the purposes for which the land is being used. Today the vast changes in the land pattern also reflects, here we are students, today nowadays the changes in the land use pattern also reflects the cultural changes in our society. Land degradation, landslide, soil erosion, desertification are major threats to the environment because of the expansion of agricultural and constructional activities. Nowadays, as I've told you students, the land is being used for the commercial purposes, and the quality of the land is degraded, and as a result of which we are facing many of the natural calamities like like the degradation of the land, landslides, soil erosion, desertification. These are some of the activities. So here with the example we'll discuss the four pictures how nowadays the land is being used. So the picture on which I have done the end circle is the first. Here it's the very beautiful village. It's a village where agricultural activities going on, people are using the animals for agriculture purpose, trees, the kacha houses, and everything is healthy. Now as we grow up and as the time passes, this kacha houses used to be the pakka houses, and the trees are being cut to build the houses. Now here there is no sign of electricity, but the electricity pole is here, the electric lines are passing here. So as we grow up and the time goes up, in the third picture we can clearly see how there is a difference between the two. Initially there were kacha houses, but now the multi-storied buildings are there. There were no cars, instead of that the roads are being made on which the cars are used. People used to run the cars, the buses, the buildings have been constructed, and these are some of the things, gardens, landscapes. And it was somewhat, we can say that free area is there, but in this you cannot get any free areas. The agriculture land, something, it is now to be used as the garden area. Apart from this, aeroplanes are there, multi-storied buildings, there is no sign of any tree, and the land, we can say that totally is used for commercial purposes, even for the trucks, buses, and these some of the activities we can use. So how we can conserve the land? So growing population and their ever growing demands has led to a large scale destruction of the forest.